What's up? So my guys from Toolshack sent through this beauty. It's the JAP 1500 Ingco planar jointer. So I was really excited to unbox it and check it out. And it's a pretty good size. I think it will fit perfectly for my small workshop. So just doing a quick check of everything is in place, like the parts that come with it. We have the guardrails and the knife guard. One thing to note is the dust collection unit. It has to be properly installed for you to use the machine. Then you have the cutting depth adjustment, the guardrail as well, if you do a complete installation. Then this is the knife guard in situ. So you adjust it according to the size of your board. Use the push blocks to push through the board over the planer, and happy planing. So from this angle, you're able to see how it eats into the wood, creating a level surface, which I thought was really cool. Really enjoyed using this piece of equipment, and I'm looking forward to building cool stuff with this. Stay tuned for part 2 on how to use the jointer function of this machine.